Simplify 4 divided by 3 plus root of 5. Subtract root of 5 divided by 3 root of 5, giving your answer in the form a plus b root c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. And solve this question, you're going to begin by rationalizing the denominator. And the easiest way to do it is to get the LCM. You're going to treat these ones as fractions. The same way we add fractions, we begin by getting the LCM of the denominators. So we shall get the LCM, the least common multiple of, we have the denominator, that is 3 plus root of 5 and 3 minus root of 5. We get the LCM of these two, and the LCM of the two of them will be the product of the two, that is 3 plus root of 5 multiplied by 3 minus root of 5. So this is the least common multiple of the denominators. Now the next thing you're going to do, observe this, 3 plus root of 5 multiplied by 3 subtract root of 5. This is difference of two squares. Recall, if you have, for example, a plus b, a minus b. If you're to expand these, you end up getting a squared minus b squared. So if you compare these expression I've written here, a plus b, a subtract b, when you expand that, you get a squared minus b squared. This is what we refer to as the difference of two squares. So the same case will apply to these. And so for this one, 3 plus root 5, 3 minus root of 5, if we substitute a with 3 and root 5 with b, this one will simplify to 3 squared subtract root of 5 squared. That is difference of two squares. And this one will give 9 subtract root of 5 squared will give 5. So we shall have that one as 4. So that means it will simplify to 4. We are going to use this one as we proceed. Now, let's go on to our question, where now we shall use the LCM to simplify these. So the LCM, we identified the LCM as 3 plus root of 5, 3 subtract root of 5, like that. There's a reason why we expanded this. We are going to use this one towards the end of the question. So look at this. When we are simplifying or working out fractions, you take this, the LCM, divided by this. So when you take 3 plus root of 5 multiplied by 3 minus root of 5, you divide by 3 plus root of 5, you remain with 3 minus root of 5 multiplied by 4. So we shall have 4 multiplied by, so the whole of these divided by these, we are going to be left with 3 minus root of 5. Then subtract the whole of these divided by these, we are going to be left with these first you have to multiply by that is root 5, and then we'll be left with these. Remember, we're taking the whole of these divided by the whole of these. We remain with 3 plus root of 5. Once we've done that, we can open this bracket. 4 times 3, you get, this will be 12. Then 4 multiplied by root of 5, this will give minus 4 root of 5. Negative root 5 times 3, this is negative 3 root 5. And then negative root 5 times positive root 5, that will give 5. Root 5 times root 5 is root of 25, which is 5. So this will be negative 5. And then this is where we are going to apply what we simplified here. Now the reason why we had simplified the LCM here, we simplified it using difference of 2 squared, and you get the answer to be 4. So 3 plus root of 5 multiplied by 3 minus root of 5, we got the solution to be 4. So put that on 4, like that. Then look at the numerator. negative 4 root 5 minus 3 root 5, that one simplifies to negative 7 root 5. So therefore, we shall have 12 subtract 5, which is 7, then negative 4 root 5 minus 3 root 5 will give negative 7 root 5. Everything divided by 4, like that. So look at the form in which you're supposed to leave your answer. You're supposed to leave the answer in the form a plus b root c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. So we have to reorganize it like that. And when you do that, we shall have this one as 7 divided by 4, subtract 7 root 5 divided by 4. Or you can simply write it as 7 divided by 4 is 1, 1 and 3. This is as real numbers, 1 and 3 quarters, subtract 1 and 3 quarters root of 5. So you can leave it like that.